Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So Bruce and Nikki from Detroit, Michigan, this is their third trip out to see us. This time around was LED lighting on both bikes. First and second time around was for audio upgrades. So I've just had a chance to put all the videos together from the first two trips. Bruce only trusts us to work on their bike, and I'm completely honored. He's very meticulous. He likes his stuff done a certain way, so he takes the trip all the way from Detroit to New Jersey to get the audio done. We haven't disappointed him yet, and him and his wife ride. I follow him on Facebook. This husband and wife team travel all over the country. They put many miles on their bike, and it's great. It's awesome to see people enjoying these bikes for the reason that they were meant for. The baggers were meant to travel, and it's cool that we do audio, but sometimes customers get carried away and forget that the main reason you bought the bike is to put your stuff in it and travel. So it's awesome. They stop at different places, different states. They always take pictures, and it's cool. It's cool. I love watching their journeys. But check out the audio build we did for both of them.
And I wonder loving you.
Your bad jam, make a nigga spend his cash hand. His last hand, hoes found with your passion. They mad jam, you can ride in the jag hand. With that hand, you can smoke by your bag hand. A grass hand, got money, I can fast hand. And trash hand, I'm a big time a nigga, yeah. Pull a trigger, yeah. I play a hater. I got 16 for this Roscoe thing, but I'm almost done. Let me get back to it. Whole lot of loud in the low backwood. Whole lot of money, big tip out wood. I put it on the train, little engine cool. Bitch. Got the way you moving, got me on a train. DJ turn me up, ladies get so jam.
And I wonder loving you.
Oh yeah, this the one. Let me sing it to you. One call, two calls, three calls. Is that what I do to you? Is that what I do to you? Yeah.
Pull up,
Frank,
headshot,
Frank,
sit down,
Frank,
stand up,
Frank,
pass out,
Frank,
wake up,
Frank,
fade it,
Frank,
fade it.
Now I done grew around some people living their life in bottles. Granddaddy had the golden flask, backstroke every day in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels. Some people want to kill their sorrow. Some people want to fit in with the popular. That was my problem. I was in a dark room, loud tunes, looking to make a vow soon that I'ma get fucked up, filling up my cup. I see the crowd mood changing by the minute, and the record on repeat. Took took a sip, then another sip. Then somebody said to me, nigga, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots. I'ma show you how to turn it on a notch. First you get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. And I wave a few bottles, then I watch them all fly. All the girls wanna play, they watch. I got a swimming pool full of liquor and they dive.